Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video we will continue doing what we were doing in the previous program where we counted the number of digits and store those digits in an integer array. We'll do the same for characters. So to start off, I'm going to declare a variable that will be used to count the number of digits in our program that are found in a string input. I'm also number of letters. I'm also going to declare a character array by using the charAt type, opening and closing using square brackets to indicate to the program that I'm going to be needing to store a collection of characters. My reference is called character array. Now I'm going to create an instance of my array. And I know my string will have more letters than numbers, so I'm going to give it a larger size, so 150. Then in my condition here, where I'm checking for the digits, I'm going to do something similar, but I'm going to change my conditions. Okay, so my condition here would be instead of 0 to 9, I'm going to do a capital A to a small z. So this will be any letter, whether capital or small, from A to Z. And if that's the case, then I will store that in my character array. And instead of number of digits, I'm going to be doing number of letters. And I'll increment that when this condition is true. Now this is already a character. I don't need to convert it to a string. Okay, so that's what we have there. And then I'm going to also tell my program what these letters are by looping through my array of characters. I just need to change the message. So the number of letters found in your text was number of letters. Okay, and I do need to also loop through my character array. So I'm just going to reuse the index variable, which I will assign back to 0. And instead of saying up to the number of letters, we are doing, instead of number of digits, we are doing number of letters. Okay, and then index plus plus. I just change a few things. Okay, let's run the program and see how this works. Okay, so now I'm going to enter that I wanted to enter 8 lines of string. So I'm going to again copy this input that I had previously stored, and let's see how this works. Okay, so it's telling me that I've entered, so that's what we have there. We're just printing out what the user has entered. And then we are saying that the number of digits found in your text was 36, and that's just our previous work. And the number of letters found in your text input was 80. And those letters are, so it's saying this is line, this is line. Pretty 8 times really, because that's what we've done. So let's look at this in a visual way. This is what it looks like. So let's just see. So at the entry of line 1, so what we've done there is we've extracted only the letters and stored them in our array. So let's assume that this is our character array, okay, which started off with having 150 spaces. So from 0 to 149, that's a total of 150. Okay, so in our first 10 spots, our program, we stored the digits, the characters in our text. So it extracted every letter and stored at each index just one character. Because with character arrays, you can only store one character at a time. But that's what we wanted anyway. So the yellow indicates that the first line was able to take each letter and place it in an index of the character array. Now from 10 to 19, at index 10 to 19, then we have line 2, so the blue part. And then from index 20 to 29, we've also got the green, our third line, and so on. So as you can see, I've just got the colors to visualize what this would look like. And because I'm writing the same line over and over, I'm getting just the same letters. But obviously, if you change your program to have a different line, so I'm just going to run this again and I'll say 2 lines. This is a line of text, 1, 2. This is another line of, text, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we just get different input. It's pretty much working the same. So we've got 8 digits in our program and 40 letters. It's pretty much just taking those letters and placing them into our character array, and we are looping through that and printing it back to the user. And that's about it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video.